That is exactly how I like filler to look. Right there, you can see that was a dent. It's all about feathering it, blending it out. Obviously that was a stone chip, which I had to sand out anyways. All about blending it out. Ready to feather this paint edge out here, so I'm going to 180, 320, kind of prep a primer area. To prime, to block flat, die coat it, block it, and that should look pretty good. Start with a 80 strip. Try and zoom out a bit. So you're going to keep this nice and flat, this. Keep that block flat and just work out. I know the dent's in the centre there, so I just need to work around. Get those edges feathered out.
You'll notice I'll gradually move up and down over the repair, trying to remove that filler evenly.
When I get to a certain point, I'll change to 120 and then get rid of the 80 scratches. You can just start to see it's feathering at the edges there. Keep going. Let's see, we'll give it a feel. Too bad. Get a little bit more. Right, I think I want to change to 120 now. There's 120 now, keep blocking that. You'll see it is nice and feathered there. So you've got that dent just there. But that's looking not too bad. Get a bit more. See, change to 180 now. So that's 120. 180. Just get those edges.
I like to make sure I get all the filler off the paint edges. This will help reduce any future issues like ringing out, and also makes it easier to sand out for primer. Working up through the grades, making sure you get rid of those scratches.
I'm going to quickly 180 these ones. And that one as well. And that, pretty much how I block filler. Well, flat ones anyways. Obviously these are nice easy shapes. When you've got more shapes involved, like stuff like that, it's a bit more tricky. But that's done.